meter running back. 'Cause you don't know, I might be back. So just sit tight like a good old hack. I've got to check this out. They say my gal's been poking around with some guy on this side of town. Well, he better be hot, 'cause sure as not, there's going to be a meeting of the minds. Say who's turning green, I'm keeping my cool. But that boy, he's got to be a fool. He can jack around with who he please, but hey, not my main squeeze. I'm checking it out, if you please. I'm checking it out, what's a guy to do? I know three's a crowd, how about two? I'm checking it out beyond a reasonable doubt. If she's in there, here's what I'll do. But hey there, cabbie, you're thinking of thought that I might be doing something I ought not. Keep the meter running, Bob, I won't take a sec. There's something I've got to check. Coat. There ain't nothing there, and that's all she wrote. It's not Frankie and Johnny, but it's awful close. I'm bringing in a double dose. So Mr. Hack, now you know the score, but I ain't going in all that sore. And keep the meter running, Mac, just give out a shout. But I've got to check this out. Checking it out, inch by inch. I might have to make a citizen's pinch. I'll throw them both in the slam and wash my hands of this whole scam. So keep that meter running, Mac, 'cause you don't know, I might be back. So just sit tight like a good old hack. I've got to check